Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional plumber, or just someone who wants to be prepared for plumbing emergencies, today's video is for you. We're diving into the top 10 plumbing tools available on Amazon that every plumber must have in their arsenal. Let's get started. Number 1. The Drill America Plumber's Toolkit is your go-to solution for tackling plumbing tasks like a pro. This complete kit includes the most commonly used NPT pipe taps, drill bits, and NPT hex dies in sizes 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch. Whether you're a professional plumber or a DIY enthusiast, this toolkit is versatile enough to handle various materials, including plastic, aluminum, copper, brass, and cast iron. One of its standout features is the carbon steel pipe taps and hex dies, specifically designed for cleaning and rethreading damaged or jammed pipe threads. This means you can easily repair or maintain your plumbing without needing to replace entire sections. Plus, the kit comes with matching high-speed steel black oxide drill bits for all the taps, ensuring you have the right tools for the job. To keep everything organized and portable, the kit includes a heavy-duty Drill America tool bag. This makes it easy to store your tools and take them with you wherever you go. Overall, this toolkit is a must-have for anyone serious about plumbing work. Number 2. The Drain Snake and Clog Remover is an essential tool for anyone dealing with stubborn clogs in toilets, sinks, showers, and bathtubs. This tool is designed to tackle a variety of drain cleaning tasks with ease. Its incredibly slender design, with a tube diameter of just 0.7 centimeters, allows you to access tight spaces where other tools can't reach. The flexible metal tube offers great toughness and can bend freely, making it perfect for navigating around tricky bends or hard-to-reach spots. Using this grabber tool is a breeze. Just press the red handle to open the claws and release it to grip whatever you're trying to grab. With 4 claws that are designed to hold items tightly, you won't have to worry about accidental drops while you're at work. Whether it's for your kitchen, bathroom, or any other area where clogs seem to develop, this tool is invaluable. It's especially handy for retrieving small items in narrow spaces or for cleaning out drains that often get blocked. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use solution for drain cleaning, this Drain Snake is definitely worth having in your toolkit. Number 3. The PVC Pipe Cutter is a heavy-duty tool that makes cutting various types of pipes a breeze. It features a 3-gear adjustable mechanism that allows you to set the opening size for a more secure grip, making it easier to cut through different pipe sizes cleanly. With a cutting capacity of up to 2.5 inches, this Ratchet pipe cutter is perfect for PVC, PEX, PPR, PE, rubber hoses, and more. Its innovative ratcheting drive technology provides exceptional force, enabling you to cut hard pipes effortlessly with just one hand. You won't wear yourself out when tackling tougher jobs. Plus, the ergonomic dual-color handle feels comfortable and non-slip, perfect for those long projects. The safety lock helps with storage and keeps you protected from accidental injury. For getting straight cuts, just ensure the blade is perpendicular to the pipe before you start. If you're working with thinner PVC pipes, a little tip is to rotate the pipe slightly while making a partial cut. This prevents breakage. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, plumber, electrician, or mechanic, this cutter is a must-have for anyone needing precision and efficiency in their cutting tasks. Number 4. The Max Bauer 14-inch pipe wrench is a real game-changer for anyone who deals with plumbing tasks. This self-adjusting pipe wrench is designed to easily handle pipes with a diameter ranging from 0.7 to 2 inches, making it versatile enough for both small and large jobs. Weighing in at just 1.8 kilograms, it's sturdy but manageable for one-handed operation. Crafted with a ductile cast iron handle and a CRMO steel jaw, this wrench offers excellent strength and toughness, ensuring durability for long-term use. The self-adjusting jaws grip tightly without slipping, which means you can connect and release with ease. One standout feature is the spring-loaded jaw design, which provides rapid ratcheting action. This allows you to work quickly without having to lift the tool off the pipe or nut, helping you save valuable time and energy. This quick-adjust pipe wrench is not just for plumbing. It's also perfect for automotive tasks, oil filters, shower heads, PVC junctions, and more. Whether you're tightening faucets or working on fuel filters, this tool will make your job smoother and more efficient. If you're looking for reliability and convenience in plumbing and beyond, this wrench is a must-have. Number 5. The iCrimp PEX Pipe Crimping Toolkit is a fantastic addition for anyone working with PEX piping. This kit makes fastening PEX pipes to brass or poly fittings super easy using copper crimp rings. One of the highlights of this tool is that it's smaller and lighter than many other options, yet it delivers the same impressive pressure, so you don't have to worry about muscling through tough jobs. Usability is a key feature here. This tool comes with comfort grips that really help minimize user fatigue. You can work on multiple connections without your hands getting tired. The kit includes everything you need: a 1-inch crimper, jaws for 1/2, 3/8, and 3/4 inch sizes, a gauge for checking your work, and a spanner for added convenience. With this crimping tool, you'll find your PEX installation jobs go much smoother, whether you're a pro plumber or a DIY enthusiast. The ease of use and versatility means you can tackle various projects with confidence. If you're looking to streamline your PEX installations, this toolkit will definitely help you get the job done efficiently. Number 6. The Pipe Water Stopper Kit is an essential tool for anyone faced with a plumbing emergency. If you've ever found yourself with a faulty water pipe or a main valve that just won't close, you know how stressful that can be. Fortunately, the Vavox Water Stop Needle Plumbing Kit comes to the rescue. This innovative tool can seal leaks even under 60 pounds of water pressure without requiring you to drain the system, making quick repairs a breeze. One of the standout features is its ergonomic design. The kit includes a T-wrench hand tool that has a protective bar for added safety and efficiency. This means you can shut off water supply lines immediately without worrying about unwanted drips during your repairs. It's highly adaptable too, as it can handle various indoor and outdoor cracks on surfaces like walls and corners. Made of rust-resistant stainless steel, this tool ensures long-lasting fixes for leaks. It's lightweight and weather-resistant, making it perfect for year-round ongoing tasks, from home renovations to building maintenance. The kit comes complete with 3 sizes of PPR tube water stopper needles, a release pin, and extra rubber sleeves. Ideal for both DIY projects and professional plumbing jobs. If you're serious about plumbing, this kit is a valuable asset. Number 7. The Max Bauer Adjustable Offset Hex Wrench is a must-have tool for anyone working with plumbing. This 12-inch wrench is designed to easily handle pipe nuts with a capacity from 1 1/8 inches up to 2 5/8 inches, making it incredibly versatile. The hex jaw design provides a secure grip on various types of fasteners, including square nuts, hex nuts, unions, and valve nuts, which means you won't have to struggle with slippage while you work. What really sets this wrench apart is its thin and smooth jaws. They slide effortlessly into tight spots, perfect for those hard-to-reach areas, saving you time and effort when you're working in restricted spaces. Plus, you can trust its durability. Constructed with drop-forged and heat-treated CRMO jaws, this tool can handle some serious torque. The ductile cast iron body and powder-coated anti-rust surface make it a reliable option for both professional plumbers and homeowners alike. Whether you're tightening drain nuts on sinks and tubs or tackling other plumbing tasks, this adjustable offset wrench is built to get the job done right. It's an efficient addition to any toolbox, ensuring you have the right tool when you need it. Number 8. The Klein Tools D53010 plier wrench is a fantastic all-in-one tool that you definitely want in your toolkit. This high-leverage multi-use pump plier measures 10 inches long and features parallel jaws, ensuring a secure and smooth grip on nuts, bolts, and various workpieces. The reversible jaw has knurled teeth, which gives you that extra bite when you're dealing with conduit and pipe. Perfect for those tricky jobs where every ounce of grip counts. One of the best features of this tool is the handle lever adjustment, which minimizes hand travel and allows you to make adjustments even in tight or confined spaces. This means you can easily adapt your grip without having to reposition the entire tool constantly. The high lever ratio is impressive too, providing exceptional grip for holding or bending different workpieces without undue effort. With a maximum jaw opening of 2 inches and 20 adjustment positions, this plier wrench offers maximum versatility, making it more than capable of tackling a wide range of tasks. Whether you're a professional plumber or a serious DIYer, this tool is designed to make your work easier and more efficient. It's a solid addition to any toolbox. Number 9. The all-in-one wrench tool set for faucets is a fantastic addition for anyone who tackles plumbing tasks. This multifunctional wrench combines multiple sizes into one handy tool, making it perfect for all kinds of faucet installations and repairs. It's designed to keep everything you need at your fingertips, so you won't have to dig through your toolbox looking for the right size. Made from high-quality materials, this wrench is built to last and ensures reliable performance for all your plumbing needs. Its compact size means it's easy to store or carry in a bag, allowing you to take it wherever you go. You'll always be prepared to tackle any task that comes your way. Using this wrench is a breeze, whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast. It simplifies faucet installation and repair, making it easy for anyone to achieve professional-looking results. The set includes 2 hexagonal wrenches and 2 screwdrivers, which conveniently fit into the multifunction tool for easy storage. Plus, it comes with a special accessory box containing essential items like O-rings and waterproof pads, so you're fully equipped to handle any job. This is truly an invaluable tool for your plumbing projects. Number 10. The Wicked Copper Pipe Cleaner is a top-notch tool designed specifically for tradesmen. Made with precision-machined aircraft aluminum housing and a removable tool steel hex shank, this professional-grade cleaner is built to handle tough jobs without any plastic parts. It features durable 304 stainless steel brushes that ensure you get a quality clean every time. What really sets Wicked apart is that it's the original fully reparable OEM copper pipe cleaning tool, crafted by trades professionals for both industrial and residential plumbing needs. With superior design and functionality, it outperforms cheaper knockoffs, making it a reliable choice. This tool also offers multifunctional versatility. You can easily use it with a power drill for larger projects or go with hand operation for smaller jobs or tight spaces. It's engineered to handle the repetitive work that generates heat due to friction. The unique brush materials and aluminum alloy body dissipate that heat effectively for continuous use. The specially designed 304 stainless steel brushes work great for removing dirt and oxidation while leaving a perfectly smooth finish that promotes optimal solder flow. If you're serious about plumbing, the Wicked Copper Pipe Cleaner is a tool you can trust to get the job done right.